In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a workspace in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the left-hand side where you will find the navigation menu. Now, let's say under Team Spaces, there are a few workspaces here that I want to quit. But I just want to focus on one workspace that I want to quit, which is this one. You just want to hover into the workspace itself, and on the right hand side, you will see three dots. A drop down will be added, and then you want to go to the very bottom and click on Leave Team Space button. If you do leave this workspace, it will ask if you are sure, and if you are sure, just click on the Leave Team Space button. As you can see, I have successfully left my workspace. And that's about it. That's how to leave a workspace in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.